The brush holders support the motor brushes and align them with the armature. It consists of the metal holder bracket and the brush tension spring. The most common issue with the brush holder is a damaged brush tension spring. If the motor is overloaded, heat can damage the spring, causing it to lose its tension. A badly overloaded motor can also cause damage to the holder itself. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. With the cover removed, now I have access to both of the brush holders. To remove the holder, first I'll remove the brush. I'll pull the tension spring away from the brush, remove the wire lead, and pull the brush from the holder. Next, I'll remove the wire that leads from the field to the brush holder. The brush holder is secured with a screw, and I'll remove it. And I'll use my pliers to remove the brush holder. Now I can install the new brush holder. I'll align it with the housing and push it into place. I'll secure the holder with the screw. Reconnect the wire. I'll pull the brush tension spring out of the holder and place it off to the side. Now I'll replace the brush. You'll notice the holder has a slot inside of it. I'll align the wire on the brush with the slot. Reconnect the brush lead to the holder and place the tension spring back over the top of the brush. And I'd repeat this on the other side if the second holder needed to be replaced. And now reinstall the rear housing. And secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the brush holder in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.